Well, hello and welcome back. As promised, we've come to the Eliathan Resort because we've been invited by the superstar, the one and only Mr Bri. He said to us, come down to Paphos, play some bowls and let's have a nonsensical day. That's the man himself. Hello. He's got a hat after my own heart, and as you can see, there's quite a lot of blue on there, and I actually like his shoes even though they're not blue. Anyway, without further ado, let's introduce you to the most beautiful woman in the world, and her name is Miss Paphos Cyprus.
Hello everybody, how nice to see you again and again.
And again. Mr Bri, thank you very much for inviting us.
Yep.
He's threatened us for months. He messaged us the other day and said please come, and here we are now. He's a superstar. We've had a walk around. He's tried to teach us. A few people have come over and tried to teach us. They understand that there's not a cat in hell's chance of me or Paphos ever becoming a very good bowls player, but we've promised them we'll come back and annoy them again and again. Right, Receivy, it's time, because there's a bit of wood in there, and Mr Bri wants to see that rear end wiggling, and he wants to see that little bit of chuchka dancing. How'd you go? There we are. Excellent on cue. Now, where are we? This is a very important area. I'm going to take you around and show you some of the things that people think are important, but I understand that the most important person in here is him, Mr John. You're right, John? And we know his name's John because it says John. And he's the most important man in the whole place because he's the bar manager. So if you want a drink, soft drink, alcoholic drink, that's the man to come and see. He's threatened to throw us out, but he said we can have 4 or 5 minutes to have a wander around. This is a special place. So if you're coming down to Paphos, you don't have to play bowls to come in here. They will welcome you to have a little look around, especially on this day because it's their grand opening to the public. But if you come around, you will see plaques on the walls. These are the names of people that obviously have played and won various trophies and that sort of thing. I'm not going to try and capture it all because there's just too many superstars in the room. And as we go up, Mr Bri tells us that these are, shall we say, the gifts, the flags that rival people, when they come to play, bring with them and then they present them. And of course the bowling company puts them up. And of course they present their flag, their rosette, and that goes back to their country or their town of origin as well. And we've got lots of people coming in, smiling. She's now thinking, oh my God, what have I come into? But it's that man's fault, Mr Bri. He's watched us for a long time. He's told us he doesn't watch many of our videos because they're rubbish, but he does come back now and again and again and again. Receiving?
Yeah, you know, I totally enjoy the views around here. People are so friendly and they're all trying to give an advice how to do it. Especially for me, I have never had an idea how to do it. And if you understand me, I don't want to go home. I don't want to go away from here.
Yeah, we arrived here because if you understand, all of our videos are on the fly. Obviously, we were invited, we had a walk round. Mr Bri showed us what's going on, and we're going to show you in a minute because it's fascinating to watch. And there are around about 30 to 40 members actually here, and they are playing, I'm losing my English, playing bowls as if their life depends on it. But at the same time, there's a bit of fun and a bit of laughter. So there's a few of our new friends having a game. Some are much better than others. All of them are much better than us, that's for sure. But we're going to go out in a minute, and Miss Paphos Cyprus is going to have a game of bowls, and Mr Bri is going to show you how to do it.
Yes, I will happily do it, especially with the help of such a great man.
So,
and I would like you to show these lovely statues, how you call it.
yeah, Paphos has spotted these two little statues. You've got a man and a woman version. So we'll start with the lady. There she is. She's getting ready to, well, throw her bowls, and she's obviously got some assets on show as well. But we'll go over to this gentleman. He's got one of his bowls ready, and he's going to bowl the life out of it, that's for sure. Got to be very careful with the accent and the words, because when we get her with balls and big diggers, we understand what's going to go on. That lady over there has got the greatest smile in the world. Believe it or not, she broke her arm. But she greeted us with open arms and a massive smile, and she's going to get over it, and she's got great shoes on. They're blue, and I like blue. I like blue. Receivy, are you going to go and play?
Yes.
Yeah? To be honest, I am lost for words because the welcome that we've had is beyond any welcome that we've had anywhere else. All of these people are expats who live in Cyprus. All of them think that we're completely nuts, but one or two people have run over and asked for photographs. And there's always someone smiling. He's having a good smile. He's laughing at us. He's laughing at us. She's laughing at us. There was a lady before. Everyone was laughing at us. That lady over there with her back to us, who's now looking at us, she was laughing at us. But they all take the game at the same time very, very seriously indeed.
But only that's why.
No, they don't. No, we don't. There we are. No, we don't. No, we don't. Receive your booth. It's time. Mr Bri is going to teach you how to do it. And I'm going to watch your rear end and his rear end. There we are. There's a
Do I go one person?
yes, there we go. There we go. So Mr Bri is a seasoned expert. And let's try and capture it in the best light. I'm in the shade, so I'm going to get down and off we go. He hasn't got a bad rear end, to be honest. That's it, he's launched away. Off it's going. I'm not going to try and explain the rules of bulls because I don't know them. But I understand there's a little ball, as you can see, and he's got a big ball, and he's pretty good. He's pretty good. On camera, there we are. Let's just get up to it to show you, because he hasn't practiced. And that is on camera, and as we understand most of the times, when you try to do something on camera, it goes horribly, horribly wrong. Well, he's pretty good. So this is the guy that is teaching us how to play bowls. He could do it a bit better, but he's pretty good. Let's get back and congratulate him. Absolute star amongst stars. This guy over here was giving us advice as well. Thank you, thank you. Everyone here is wonderful. Everyone here is unbelievably friendly, and they'll welcome you. Don't think you can come here and they're going to make fun of you. They welcomed us with open arms. And now it's time for Ochin Grasivi Alabuf's rear end. Here we go.
Oh, I'm very worried, by the way, but if anything, you just have to forgive.
There we go. Let's get down. Off you go, Grasivi. Let's have that rear end. Doesn't get much better than that. The rear end of Ochin Grasivi Alabuf and a beautiful, beautiful blue sky. And she's getting ready to launch. Well, to be honest, Grasivi, that's not too bad.
The delivery was quite smooth.
Yes.
Have another go.
Off you go, Grasivi. Have another go. It's all about the delivery and the smoothness. A bit like golf. It's not about strength. It's not about...
Technique.
It's all technique. Technique and calmness, calmness, calmness. She's going to go again. Off we go, Grasivi. Look at that for a rear end.
The weight was better. The weight
I think
was
I
good.
made them wife and a husband.
The weight
Wife
was
and a
good.
husband.
Just
There
point
we
a
are.
little bit more that way to the right.
I'm going to have a go. Grasivi?
It's your turn
Let's
now,
have a go.
Mr.
Let's
Paul.
just have a look. I'm not very good, but we're going to try. Now, don't make me look fat.
It's your fault. If you're fat, it's your fault. You should eat less.
Miss Andrea? Especially for you. Oh, Miss Sarah? Especially for you. Here we go. Right.
What a lovely rear end. Okay. Mr. Paul, you're worse than me.
Worse than you.
I think you're worse than me.
Much, much worse.
Where's the rat?
Where's our ball boy gone? I'll go and get him.
I'll get him.
No, I'll go and get him.
As you see, Mr. Paul is a very busy boy today. He's going around and around, talking with the people. They all are so friendly. They all are amazing, and especially that great gentleman. You know that I have never been places like that before, and never even seen anything on TV. Never. But I think you all enjoying it, yeah? It's amazing. Yes, yes.
It's a big social thing as well.
Yes, of course, exactly. Yeah.
I've invited these young ladies.
Yeah,
I've
yeah.
invited these two young ladies. You can have a quick go. Is that all right? Okay.
Oh, we have enough.
Where are you from?
Yes.
Touching.
Don't look at that jack.
Mm-hmm.
What's
it's not there.
No.
But the other side, you've got to look.
Now,
It's like a reverse, yeah? It's like a reverse.
You've got to aim a yard either side. And it'll come. If you look at that jack, you'll bowl at the jack,
Yeah.
which will end over there. or
Yeah.
over there.
no, it's not. It's
I see.
British originally.
Thank you very much.
Look at the jack.
Right, okay. I'll try.
Because in Switzerland, I had a friend who was in Switzerland, you play bulls.
Yeah, I know.
Yes, exactly.
Huge game.
Yes.
Really cool game, yeah.
My friend took it very, very seriously. Okay. His face was like,
Francis Drake invented bowls.
So Francis Drake was the first guy to saw the reckon. Saw the reckon.
while he was invading some country.
Well, he was thinking about it, and he said, "No, I've got to finish." No, it's true. What the
Right.
reckon is, he was playing bowls on
Yeah.
the hull at Plymouth.
Right.
And they could see the French fleet coming across, and so he said, "No, I've got to finish the game of bowls before I go and and capture the French ships." And so he waited.
There we are.
That's the
So
story.
he had a game of bowls, and then, well,
He's
you
played
know my
everywhere
opinion of the
in-
French.
just about
He
everywhere
had a
in the
word
world.
with them, that's for sure.
China,
Come on, you lady. Live on the YouTube channel. That foot has got to be on there, okay? And then the ball, if you watch, you see that there? You see that piece there? So if you hold that like that, and then you roll it,
She really wants a little one. doesn't
it's going out. Well, we'll try. Try with that one, okay? You try with that one first. And we got you on the YouTube, so off you go.
So haben wir noch so.
Yeah?
Und da muss dann hier auch so eine When did you do it on TV? Then so.
Do they? There we are. I'm going to give this man the camera in a minute because he seems to be far, far more clever than me. Yeah, you get the launch. You're getting the launch.
Yeah, exactly. And
Okay.
keep them.
Here we are, all the way from Switzerland, superstars. They're staying in the resort. They came down for a nosy on down, and there we go. Look at that. To be honest, he's a natural. That's the first time he's ever done it, and he's a natural. Again, he is a natural. Come on, young lady.
Oh, Papa, kijk je net al, hè? Zit mij dat wat op het head.
Du musst nicht an der Fläche rollen. Du musst wahrscheinlich gerade sein, habe ich das Gefühl. Und ein bisschen fester als ich. Hast du gesehen?
Aber je denkt zo, oké?
Das gleich musst du auch ausprobieren. Probier einfach. Du musst so und zack.
Make sure you give it quite a good go. Here we go. Again, to be honest, for a first time, the trajectory is perfect. What we need to find is some slightly smaller balls for the little ones. Here he goes again. He's in blue, head to toe. I'm not so sure about his shoes. They're not blue, they're brown. But we like his shorts and we like his t-shirts. Here we go. So this game is all about fun and it's all about making new friends. Our ball boy is back. He's come back. He's understood he's got a job to do. There he is, absolute star. And as you can see, there's people absolutely everywhere. They're all laughing and joking, and probably laughing and joking at us. But they understand that this is a great, great fun. These young girls are having a time of their life. Their mummy's getting involved. There we are.
Wow, hallo.
Look at that. So she's now got, should we say, a lady-sized ball. She's now got the weight almost perfect. All she's got to understand is the curvature. And here comes her younger sister, Miss Zoe.
Hallo, kom back to the toilet.
So as you can see, it's a sport for all people, and immediately you make friends, immediately. Absolutely fantastic. Let's watch these two young girls launch again. And they're having instructions now. I think they're going to be here all day. So if you are coming down to Paphos, pop down. All these people will greet you with open arms, and all of them will allow you to play balls.
Kom zo, sorry. Oh, hop. Vast, hè?
Not quite enough power. But still, it's all about the effort, and it's all about the playing, and it's all about the fun and the game. And everyone's having a great, great time. So, get yourself down to the Eliathan Resort. As you come up the central pathway, before you get to the main resort, you'll see a sign that says the Bulls Green or Football Ground. That's where we are. Pop in, introduce yourself, have a drink with Mr John, and all of these people will open their arms to you and welcome you and have great, great fun. Here we are. There we go again. And now we've got a full-time bull collector man, as you can see. He's understood his calling in life. Star amongst stars. Miss Zoe, there we are. That one's for you. Have another go. Look at that. The father's this absolute natural, that's for sure. It's something to do with the blue t-shirt and the blue shorts. As long as you're dressed in blue, well, we understand that all it's actually missing is... So get yourself
on a big bird or a canoe and start paddling like crazy.
Because?
All is simply missing is you.
And Paphos is quite simply waiting for you. Thanks, Mr Bri. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Hopefully we brought you some new friends as well. Watch this lady here. She's a star. She was the one who was trying to teach us. She understood after a while she'll never ever teach us. But she did try and she did persevere very, very well indeed. Thank you very much. Thank you. You are very, very good indeed. What's your name?
I'm Sol.
Sol. Lovely.
Spanish of the sun.
Yes. A great, great name. Great, great name. So thanks very much for watching. If you like what you see, please hit the like, click subscribe and say, well, thank you, thank you, thank you. This here is the most important lady on the block. We know she's very important, but she's got a name on a t-shirt, Miss Yvonne. Thanks, Yvonne. Thank you very, very much. Now, if you want to join the club, get yourself down here. You can join seasonally or annually, around about €300, and you can come and play as much as you want. And of course, you can buy as much beer and soft drinks off Captain John in there as well. You can meet Mr Bri, that's our superstar. We'll thank him again.
Thank you. Thank you.
And if you're watching this young couple with their 2 young daughters, they came to have a look. I said, come on down, and they did. And now I think they're going to stay here. Probably not for the rest of their lives, but they're going to stay a while. The 2 young girls are totally enthralled. Great, great day out, that's for sure. Let's just watch them for a few more secs because it really is nice to watch. The interaction. They speak English, don't get me wrong, but obviously their first language is, should we say, Swiss German. And we got the boss taking pictures of everybody. There we are. Here she is.
Yes, the guest from Switzerland.
There we are, stars. Stars among stars. I'm going to go and thank them because they've been fun all the way through. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. And we hope you have a great, great day. We will leave you watching the 2 young superstars playing their hearts out. And they've got that man over there, very, very well trained indeed. He's going to spend the rest of his life bringing the balls back. He thought he's been helpful, now he realises he's been a fool. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Receiving the booth?
Well, I must say that it was so enjoyable, and if ever I hear that there is such an event, I will come again and again with Mr. Paul, of course, because without him I'm lost. And all the people, as I said before, are very, very nice and friendly. I wish you all the best days in the world, unforgettable times and unforgettable moments in your life, because that's only what we're gonna take with us. We're loving you to bits. Many, many thanks for watching, and many kisses from the bottom of our hearts.
There we are. We'll leave you with the fun and the games on the Bulls court. I think you're going to be here for a few hours. Are you staying on the hotel? Yeah, it's good. And it's a nice place to sit. Beautiful. Here we go. So, thanks for watching.